Alright, so apparently when my carburetor was jacked up before, it was super lean. So I have now remedied that. This thing is running better than it has since I've had it. It's idling good. Good vacuum. Still, I think I got a couple of burnt valves, but everything is working exactly as it's supposed to. Except the pressure regulator is leaking on top of the engine. That's not so good. But aside from that, I mean, the exhaust isn't actually mounted, so it's not too much of a surprise that it's not, or that it's shaking all over the place. Now the question is, what's going to happen when I shut it off? I guess we'll see. Oh, it didn't backfire. Beautiful. That is just beautiful. So I'll take a look at those connections on the regulator there, because it's got some drippage there. But I mean, aside from that, it's minty. Oh god, I've been watching too many Canadians on YouTube. But yeah, I got a new fuel filter, regulator, you know, the stuff that's shiny. Yeah, it's fucking mint. Alright, so for once, that's what I didn't screw up today. So yeah, I still need to hook up the choke. I have a choke cable, but I think it's too short. I think I only have like a 3-foot choke cable. I think I need to go get a 6-foot. But yeah, aside from that, it's freaking sweet. This thing runs great.